Welcome to the channel Tungle Spain. Today I'm going to show you how to play Dead Island multiplayer using Tungle or Hamachi. Now, do keep this in mind that you can get this game legally or illegally. It doesn't matter, it's going to work both ways. So, I would recommend, if you're going to download it off the internet, download either the reloaded version or the black box version. I'm recommending you these two versions because I have tested both of these and they work just fine. Don't download any other, it's just gonna be messy, and if it doesn't work you're gonna waste your time. Okay, so download either the black box version or the reloaded version. Once we have all that sorted, you need to download some other programs as well. If you go into the description, you'll find some links. One is for the Steam. Okay, so download and install the latest version of Steam. Links are in the description. Also, you need to download the main thing, which is the update. Okay, Dead Island update, so it's also going to be in the description. And you're also going to need either Tungle or Hamachi. It's upon you which you want to use. I'm going to show it to you both of these ways, so well, stick to the tutorial and learn how to do it. Well, first thing, once you have Dead Island installed, install Steam and install the game. Okay, so I have installed Steam and I've also installed the game. Okay, it's really simple how to do these two steps. If you don't know how to do it, you can either search on the internet or you can comment. I will explain you really nicely in detail as well. Okay, so once you have both of these software installed, you need to download and install the update, which is also the links in the description. So once you have downloaded the update, you will see that there are these RAR files. Okay, the update weighs around 1 gig, so make sure that you download it properly. Okay, once you have downloaded it, you will find these RAR files. Just click on the first one and click extract here. Once you extract it, you don't need all these files, you can delete it. Once you have extracted it, you will find all these files. Okay, so from those RAR files you're gonna find these. Just leave this apart and all of these. Okay, well, first go ahead and open the directory of a game. Okay, so mine is installed in the C drive, program files, Dead Island. Okay, it's right over here. Make sure that you copy all of these files. Alright, copy all of these files except this green Ruma RAR file. Just don't copy that, and the rest just copy. So I'm just gonna throw it in here. Alright, it will ask me to replace it. Replace all the files. Do this for all items and press continue, and it will replace it in a jiffy. Now all you're gonna be left is with this file over here, Green Luma. Okay, this folder is alright, it didn't copy, so basically open it this and put it in here. Alright, it just goes fine. Okay, if it doesn't copy, do it manually. Alright, now all we need to do is go back from here and search for Steam. Here is Steam. Okay, so just keep in mind, open the folder of Steam, open the RAR file of Green Ruma, or either just copy all these files over here, or another way to do it is basically you can extract all these files over here and copy them. Okay, copy those and put it in here. Both ways will work. I've already done it. I'm not gonna do this, it's gonna just screw up everything. So now we are all done. All we need to set up is our LAN software. I'm gonna show it to you. Tungle first, Hamachi second. Okay, so Tungle, how to do it? Just launch Tungle and sign in. Okay, then search for your in the search box, search for the game's name. Type in the game's name, which is Dead Island, and press enter. Join any of these networks. Okay, I'm gonna join the first one with the highest number of players. Just gonna double click on it and you will join the network. So there you go, successfully joined. Let it be 5 to 5 over here. Alright, now it's completely joined. Click on the don't panic button. Okay, this is optional. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you what this don't panic works for. If you scroll down, you will see there are all the download files over here, and it's also there's an instruction written over here. So if you want to follow that, you can also follow that. But if ever the link dries or it doesn't work anymore, you can go ahead and download it directly from here. So alright, that is completely optional, okay? Don't panic section. Once you have joined the network, you are done with Tungle. Now I'm going to show to you how to do it in Hamachi. What you need to do is click on networks and press create new network. Give it a network name. Let's say TUNGLE.ES. Give it a password. I'm going to give it 1234 and press create. So there you go, a network has been created. Alright, I have to just, what I have to do right now is give this ID and password to my friends or the people I'm going to play with, and they will join to my network and we are done in Hamachi. Okay, so both of these processes are really simple. Either you do it on this, it's upon you. I really recommend you trying Tungle, it's really good and you'll find a lot of players as well. So now we are all done. All we need to do is start Green Luma. So if you go back to the Steam folder in program files and let's search for Steam, just double click on Green Luma over here. Okay, I have already executed Green Luma and it's minimized over here. Now it looks exactly the same as Steam's, but it has got this weird thing, green weird thing over here. That is the logo of Green Luma. So if this thing doesn't pops up, that means you're not using Green Luma, you're just using the regular Steam. Make sure that this pops up. You have to execute Green Luma, okay, in order to get this. Now just press add game, add a non-Steam game. It will load up a bunch of files. Just search for Dead Island over here, select that and add to selected program. So now Dead Island will pop up. So we are just done over here. All we need to do is press play and we are good to go. So now I'm going to press play and I'm going to switch my player to the fraps so you can see it in game. So I'm going to change it right now and I will execute the game itself. So play. Now once we have already started the game, you will see this menu. All you need to do is go into the options and go into the online settings. Alright, make sure the game type is chosen as COP. Game visibility should be chosen as LAN. Alright, this is really important. Make sure to choose some public slots. You can choose from 1 to 3. That means number of players that can enter in your match. Okay, so leave it on 3 or 2. Don't put it on 1. Okay, if not, you'll be the only one who's gonna play. Then there's the voice chat if you want to able to chat with the audio, and the Facebook events. Well, that's basically it. Now this is really important, the game visibility in LAN, because if you don't put this in, the people from Tungle or Hamachi will not be able to join to your match. So make sure that is on LAN before you start playing. Okay, LAN, and that's basically it. That's the most important step. Press OK and press play. Now one thing that you should keep in mind, that you have to play at least one chapter of the game. If you don't play one chapter of the game, you will have a lot of trouble in finding matches. You will not be able to find the match. So what you have to do is start the game, play one chapter which you will pass, let's say in 5 minutes or so. Once you have passed the chapter, you will be able to join the matches in the lobby. So let me demonstrate it to you. As you can plainly see, I've got a new game, so I'm just gonna play that, and once I have finished that one chapter, I'll show it to you how to join the main lobby. Alright, so now that I have played one chapter over here, alright, as you can see, game lobby, and when it appears over there, click on it, I press OK, it will search for players. Now all I have to do is wait for it to search for players. It may take some time, alright, and there you go. Joined with this guy, alright. I am playing through Tungle, so the possibilities of finding matches are higher in Tungle since there are a lot of more players. Now this is a coupe mode, this is not actually a multiplayer mode, but it works just fine. I mean, it's a lot of fun if you want to play it with your friends and so on. So basically I'm gonna stop talking here. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the gameplay. Thank you very much.